and I said,
Go. No, but do the other one.
No.
Back to our channel. We are back with another vlog. The vlog. So I know some of you guys are asking if we figured out the new channel name. You're annoying. No, we haven't figured it out. I lied. We came up with one name.
It's gonna be the newbies.
Keeping up with the newbies. No, I'm joking. I don't want to do keeping up with the newbies. Someone said do keep up with the newbies, but we're just gonna be like
keeping up with the newbies.
Why can't we just put newbie TV? Something simple.
It's that's simple, bro. Newbies.
You have to have first and last. We're gonna put newbies TV because I said so.
Newbies slash.
Yeah. So we're gonna use newbies TV.
No.
Anyways, yeah. So we just here. Today is Sunday, very chill day. I used today just to kind of like relax and sleep. Yeah, we're just washing his big head because his hair was
flaky. See him flame.
His hair was literally snowing.
But man, get rid of that flakes.
It's clear your scalp is dry. You just come from hot.
Dry like your body.
You just come from hot. When you came up here, I told you in one of my vlogs. I told Ziggy, I'm like, when you come up here, scalp was gonna be dry. But he didn't want to listen to me. And Sean was just like, no, something's wrong with your scalp. Anyways, baby girl over her sleeping, her cute little onesie. She's getting so big. Yeah. She fell asleep with me, so I didn't even reach over to put her in her bassinet. I just kept her right there in the bed. But I'm gonna go wash out his hair because we're doing a treatment. You're actually annoying. Like Ziggy danced to this song and played this song like it's a regular like pop Connor alkaline song.
And that's why what? I said to just wait.
Just wait?
Yeah.
In the car? Yeah. Until your phone is freely disabled?
Yeah, because we
are currently at... Where are we? We're at Sunset Grill, eating breakfast. There's something right here in your mustache. Piece of fur. I just left the doctor's office because I had to go get a little checkup. My back is killing me. Let me just tell you guys this. If you are breastfeeding, invest in a nursing pillow, pregnancy pillow, whatever. Something you can put around your waist for support because breastfeeding really kills your back. It really hurts. It really hurts.
Get more milk here.
So guys, we're on our way home. We it was so much food we didn't even finish eat it. Like we could have bought one and shared it, Yeah. That's what we should have really did. We should have just bought one and shared, but at least we know for next time. I mean I could have low-key ate off mine, but Ziggy stopped eating. I'm joking. I don't know actually. Whatever. So we're just on our way home. I have a tad of a bit of a headache. I want to go try and upload this vlog. We have so much videos, just a matter of like putting them together and uploading them.
Oh my god, there you go. That must be a smile.
Beer smile.
Only for milk in our belly. No,
But as I was saying, yeah, I have a little headache. I'm just gonna go home and try to finish these videos so we can get them up.
So, but you can just make me drive
Ziggy has laundry to do. Huh? I don't know. I asked you, you said you came to the back.
Because I already see you.
I opened the door. It doesn't mean it was hot in here.
No,
and I asked you.
Lies.
Okay, listen. So first I know you, when you have your scratch tickets, you like to scratch them, right? So I'm like, okay, I wonder if he's gonna want to drive or not drive now. You could have drove home.
No, I wanted to drive.
Then why didn't you? What the hell? I asked you.
Because I see you coming around, so I'm like.
Because I thought you were gonna want to scratch your damn stupid scratch tickets. Anyways, guys.
50,000. You said me win the $50,000 for a scratch ticket.
We're giving away like.
I give you something.
Yeah, we're giving like $5,000.
No.
You guys hear who's mean? You guys see who's mean though? It's not me.
No, me can't give you $5,000. Remember I said me have Polly, Camille, Tovia, Sasha Gay, you, Nyla, Keisha, Mike. Me have to give everybody in a, you know, in a family, so and then they can say, alright. Me I give you 5 bills or 2 bills. A whole heap of money that they get right now. If me know save money find 2 bills on the road right now. You smile, you make it deal.
Yo.
So, wanna pray for me.
You're gonna win it. You're gonna win.
Spend a whole heap of money. You know, feel me I spend no money.
Yeah, every time he gets back tickets is off of like winnings that he already won. So he pockets some and then buys some.
Yeah. If may win $20, but that was pocket $10.
And then take my $1 or $2 to go add on.
That's just $1.
But yeah.
I wanna go go-karting again.
You wanna go again?
Yeah.
I know, it was actually fun. I mean, I didn't get to go-kart because I was breastfeeding.
Oh.
But
I forgot man days here, so.
Yeah.
More may a race.
A race. I don't even feel like that's like a big race. When you go
course.
Niagara Falls, those ones are like, yo, Z. Those ones are huge. Like, it's way bigger.
Still race.
Like when you bump into each other, frig man, but if you bump too hard, you're getting bruised. One time I got a bruise on my knee because the car slammed right into mine.
So you get bruised if ain't that car.
The go-kart, you're so annoying. Anyways, we just got home, guys. Y'all don't watch my hair, but we just got inside. I just had to breastfeed her again, even though I just breastfed her in the car. But I'm about to pump some milk because literally my whole bra is, Bro, my whole bra is literally wet. Usually I have like the breast pads that you can put in your bra. But I was running a little late for my appointment. I had to run out the house and I forgot them. I'm so silly. You know I had them in the baby bag? And I forgot and my whole bra is like wet. So I'm about to pump because I'm actually really full right now. Who are you laughing at? Who are you laughing at?
Yes. People. Yes. This is Polly speaking. Polly Wally. Yes. Yeah. Now the kitchen now, you know. One straight up the kitchen and thing like that. Yeah man. Yeah, you know, I miss Ziggy though. Yeah man, I miss Ziggy man because when him there, sometimes we have little fun. Run like a joke with one another and thing like that. I see it. But the main part right now miss him because you know a whole lot of things man. But I'm happy for him in the next part of it because when him there, you know, you're a whole lot of H's and bad mind people in the place and all those things, and I want him come out of the place and if he get a uplift himself and you know out there. Yeah. So I'm in the kitchen and now try to straighten up the kitchen and so I can do for the night and I want to see me not even cook star. Not even cook, me not cook because I'm me alone there and put this whole heap of food now I was waste after I eat out like 1-2 times. You know, I don't want no more again. I have to throw it to Ziggy when they know Ziggy not eat off all I eat. When me eat 1 plate, Ziggy eat all 2-3 plate go down your line. Yes, but it can't happen again. So you want to see me not cook and I'm a friend. When my friend me ask me, I say to the girl, so right now I'm not eat some food. And she say, why not eat? And I say, boy, I'm not know no come not want to grow enough for yourself to go cook no food and all. So She say, I want some of my food. And I say, yeah, I'm not eat it. And she say, she cookie still. Her son-in-law cookie. And I say, you go eat it though. And she say, yes. I say, well, once you go eat it now, my girl, I can eat it to your seat. So she can't come give me a seat. So I just have some right and that's it and make myself a cup of tea. You zit, yeah. Make a cup of tea and, you know, drink down also. So I want to see little friend now. I will lock my shop, come in now while I fresh and then go and watch 2 shows and then go to my bed car. Polly no have no boyfriend and Polly no have no husband. So Polly have to just keep himself, you know, calm. Easy back. You see it? Yeah, you see it. That's how things said. So people probably love you. Probably love you no all. I don't know wanna love me already. And big up on yourself. Enough love. Yeah. Same Polly Wally this man. Polly Wally. Yeah. Me this. At the kitchen. You know? Yeah. Skanking and danking and all those things. A long time in a party, you know. Long time in a go party. Man got an all its party, you know. Got it. Yeah. That called bogle dance. Bogle. Yes, people. Yeah, man, that's how things set to love, you know. All. I eat that. You see it. Yeah, man, bless up. Yeah.